Hi, this is lesson 8 of 16, and I'm going to show you how to insert furniture and equipment in ArchiCAD. We are going to use this plan for presentation throughout this course. Open plan from our previous tutorial. At the top, click on Design, click on Design Tools, and then drop down to Object. Click on that. At the top, click on this part, and the object default settings will appear. Type in sofa, select this design, and then let's enter the preview and positioning settings. Select and enter settings as shown on the screen. These ones are the sofa settings. Select and enter settings as shown on the screen. These ones are the floor plan and section settings. On these, it's the model settings. Under these categories and properties settings, once all the settings have been entered and confirmed, click on OK. How do you insert this object? Click on OK. Click once in the floor plan and your object will be inserted. Right click, select move, and click on rotate to rotate your object. How to drag a copy? Click on drag a copy. Click on the object and drag a copy of it. Drag a copy of this, right click, click on move, drop down to drag a copy, then click on the object you want to drag a copy of, move your mouse and a copy will be dragged. Now let's insert another object. Under design, drop down to object, click on it. At the top, click on this part, and then type in the object you want to insert. Let's insert a table. Drop down and select this table. Let's enter preview and positioning settings of this table. Custom settings. Select and enter settings as shown on the screen. Floor plan and section settings, and the model settings, and then categories and properties settings. Select and enter settings as shown by the cursor. Once you've entered all the settings, click on OK. Click once to insert your object. Let's insert another object under design. Click on object. Click on this part. Let's type in TV. Select it. On this side are the settings you can enter. This is the preview and positioning settings. Select and enter the settings as shown on the screen. These are the flat panel TV settings. Enter the settings as shown on the screen. Floor plan and section settings. Model settings. Categories and properties settings. Once all the settings have been entered and confirmed, click on OK. Then click once to enter that object. Now let's insert a sink in the kitchen. Under design, drop down to object, click on it, click on this part of the object and type in sink. You're going to select this type of sink, click on it. Preview and positioning settings. Select and enter the settings as shown on the screen. Kitchen cabinet settings. Select and enter settings as shown on the screen. Floor plan and section settings. Model settings. Categories and properties settings. Click OK. Click once in the floor plan and your object will be inserted. Let's insert a gas cooker. And the design, click on object. At this point, click on this point. Then type in gas. And then select this type. Preview and positioning settings. Select and enter the settings as shown on the screen. Enter the settings as shown on the screen. Floor plan and section settings. Model settings. Categories and properties settings. Once you've entered the settings and confirmed, click OK. Click once in the floor plan and insert your object. Now let's insert beds. Under design, drop down to object, click on it, click on that part, click on this area at the top, type in bed, and then select the type of bed you want to insert. Let's insert that type of bed. Click on that area, select a different type of bed, and then enter preview and positioning settings, custom settings, floor plan and section settings, model settings, categories and properties settings, and then click OK. Click once in the floor plan to insert your bed. Let's rotate this bed, right click, click on move, rotate, then drag it there. Let's make a copy. Now let's insert object in the shower and WC room. This is the room. Under design, click on object, then click on this part, type in WC and select this. There, this is the preview and positioning settings. This is the WC settings, floor plan and section settings. These are the model settings, categories and properties settings, and then click OK. Then click once in the floor plan and you'll insert your object. So how do you save your progress? At the top, click on File and then drop down to Save. And that's how you save your progress.